Hey guys and gals, sweet project cars here with cool trick and affordable ways for the do-it-yourselfer and simple ways. Celebrating our 500th video. 500 videos, and we're very proud of that. Not all of them are good by any means. Some of them are pretty bad, but that was a learning curve for us, that's for sure. But we want to thank all of you great subscribers, and thanks to so many of you turning on your notifications so you know when the videos come out. My favorite tools, probably used the most in our shop, and that is, you got it, the Dewalt screw gun. And there's a reason behind this. This is my personal screw gun here. I've got a couple of them. When you're adding in the 20 volt lithium ion batteries in the kit, which, hey Julio, you're dropping the ball, man. Where can they get this stuff?
Buscar en el show más de la descripción de video para todas las herramientas.
When you get the kit, you get 2 batteries, the charger, and I love it because it doesn't run out of power. It seems like we never charge the batteries on these things. They just go and go and go. Now, if you're looking to give somebody something really cool and classy and let them know that you care about them, this is the rig right here. I love this thing because I had one of my prior workers, and I mentioned prior, was huge on these Walmart screw guns. I gotta tell you, they're kind of a pile. They're not sweet. There's no sweets I'm giving this thing. For those of you that have it, I'm sorry. I don't mean to be mean, but I'm just telling you, for longevity, the DeWalt has it whipped all the way around. We've dropped these numerous times and never had an issue with them. So, back to the good stuff. Very easy to pull the batteries out of them. They charge up really fast, and the best part about DeWalt is that you can send these in right to DeWalt, and we've done it over and over again whenever we've had an issue over the many years we've used the DeWalt screw guns, and they will repair them, send them back to you. All you do is pay the shipping. A lot of people don't know that, but we've had really great success with that. And to break the chuck loose, you just turn it that way, pull it out. Now, the cool part about this is, say you don't have a nut driver, you can take an extension, put it right in the chuck, one of those right there, and it's tight, and you can do whatever size nut you have to do with this. Positive stop on it. It has the ratcheting mode, which most all of them do, but this one is really accurate. And you cannot, I'm telling you, you gotta have some strong grippers to hold that thing. It'll twist your hand. It's got that much torque. Now, the cool part about this is, what I love is, we don't have time to be running around changing batteries all the time. But a lot of people, now this is the mother's polishing ball right here, and you can see how big it is. I have pretty good sized hands, and it's pretty good size. And when you start torquing on one of these, it'll run a battery down real quick. And that's fast, that's slow. And these extensions are the whip. That means they're cool. Your buffers, another extension here for your cloth buffing pads. Wire wheels, you can use the wire wheels on these, and they're just fantastic. The smaller mother's ball right here has a handle. You can hold it while it's spinning so it doesn't twist in your hand. See that? Great tool, and I can't say enough about it. I know all of you have your own ideas on it, but for dollar, when it comes to a screw gun that you can be proud of to give away and or have for yourself that you know is going to last you, DeWalt 20 volter here is the key. This is the main cat.